everyone, today I am going to show how to solve a Rubik's Cube, a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. First, we should learn some basic rules which will help you solve the Rubik's Cube. So let's move on to it. Number 1. These are the parts of the Rubik's Cube: the corner piece, the edge piece and the middle piece, or the center piece. The corner piece is movable, edge piece is also movable, but the center piece is never ever moved. Number 2. Red is the opposite of orange, yellow is the opposite of white, and green is the opposite of blue. This is the main thing you should remember to solve a Rubik's Cube. It is very important. Number 3. These are the Rubik's Cube notations. R means right, L means left, U up, F front or face, D down, B back, R and R apostrophe, L and L apostrophe, U and U apostrophe, F and F apostrophe, D and D apostrophe, B and B apostrophe. These notations are used in solving the Rubik's Cube. Number 4. Now let's go. First, we should start with the daisy. Daisy is like a daisy flower, the yellow in middle and white as shown in the picture. This is daisy flower and daisy in Rubik's Cube. This is the first step to solve Rubik's Cube. So to solve a daisy, we need yellow center and white edges. So we took yellow center and got one. Now here. Now here. Now this is the correct one. Now next. Here there is white, orange and blue. We should find white, orange and blue piece. Here it is. Now we should move it out and we should keep in the correct place. Okay. Now we should do the same with the other two corner pieces also. White, orange and green. This one white, orange and green. Now this is the last corner piece. White, green and red. So we completed the corner pieces too. Now the white face is ready and the third layer of the cube is also ready. The next step is to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. We should solve the edge pieces of the Rubik's Cube. No, edge pieces of the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. So here we should find the edge without yellow color, because yellow is the opposite of white. Here we got a red and blue edge piece where there is no yellow color. We should move the down part first. That's the first step. Okay. We should move red and blue to the opposite of blue. The opposite of blue is green. So if we move to blue, it is wrong. We should move it to green side. So move to green side and white part out like this and up again, and we should move this way from the side and the part down, and again the white we filled. We got the edge pieces. Same we should do with the other sides. There are left algorithm and right algorithm. So here we did right algorithm. Here this one also it is same. Right algorithm we should do. Opposite of orange, then right side down and move the white piece, then again moving it, then white down. Okay, we fill the white face and the edge. Now this is the left algorithm. We should fill the edge with the left algorithm. Now here same we should do the opposite. Red and green, we should move it to blue side. Okay. Now we should put left side down, then move it to right to left, then again up, then one more time right to left, then right side down, then we fill the space. So the second layer is also complete. Now we should complete the yellow face. First yellow cross, before that yellow horizontal line we should make. Face, right, up, right apostrophe, up apostrophe and face apostrophe. So we made horizontal line, yellow horizontal line. Now we should do the same steps to make yellow cross. F R U R apostrophe U apostrophe and F apostrophe. Here we made a plus, but there are two pieces here. Now we made a plus and we should make it as a perfect plus by doing another steps, which is like R apostrophe, U apostrophe, R U apostrophe, and R apostrophe 2 times U and R. We made a plus. We should make a fish sign. For that, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, R, U apostrophe, R apostrophe, and 2 times U, then R. Now we made a fish sign. This is called the fish sign. Now we should complete the full yellow face. We should do the same steps which we done to make fish. R apostrophe, U apostrophe, R, U apostrophe, and R apostrophe 2 times U and R. So now we made a yellow face. Now we should make like this. Only one is left in the middle of the first edge. So to make that, we should do the steps. R2, F2, R apostrophe, B apostrophe, R, F2, R apostrophe, B, R apostrophe. So we should do these steps 2 times. The same steps. Then we will get how we got for a red color in every faces, and sometimes any of the one face will have fully completed, which means it will have 3 colors like this. Orange, there is 3 colors and the orange is P. Yes, now we should take the opposite of orange, which is a red. This is the last step we should do to solve the Rubik's Cube. We should take a red color and we should do. So it's better to write the steps in a paper and practice while solving the Rubik's Cube. And by practicing it more than 1 to 5 to 6 times, we will by heart the steps and we can do the steps easily. Now we have got the full Rubik's Cube solved. A 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube is solved here. Thank you.